New TV? Are you ready to cable? Let's lift and bend and stretch and kick. Work those biceps. Give me one more. You can do it. Add the final touches, and you can have your TV all to yourself. Forget the workout. Connect your home theater system with a thin cable. This is a high-definition signal running through a regular HDMI cable. This is the same high-definition signal trying to get through a thin cable. High definition means a lot of information, too much for a thin cable. Unless you have a smart chip to put it all back together. Easy to bend, easy to hide, easy to route.